off this bottom pipe.
I really need to get a new phone. This phone is post lunch. Again, it's cool and windy, and all these pigeons. I'll show you all the pigeons there. You see the pigeons? Oh my god, a whole bunch of them just flew there. Anyway. Birds. Oh man, bloody turtle. God damn it! Fuck, I think I'll just move. Like, way too many birds here. It's kind of, what do you call it? Raining. One thing I gotta remember about holding this camera is like, I accidentally pressed the stop recording button. So, that's a bit of a bummer. Yeah, it's a bit raining. That kind of sucks. Oh, that's a bus which takes people. It's a sightseeing tour. Oh my god. It is a sightseeing tour. The good thing about I'm wearing these heeled kind of shoes, so I have to walk properly. so it's forcing me to walk properly, like, you know. I gotta walk properly. Shit. Oh man, tired. I wanna go to sleep. Look at drinking fountain. I don't think I'll be drinking anything from there. And okay, another police officer. Police officers. Look at there's a sign on top of this. You know, like, see that blue color? It's like a Wi-Fi sign. I don't know what that is. It's like, is that like free Wi-Fi or something? But it says Telstra Air. I don't know what Telstra Air means. It looks like a... Oh shit, there's some raindrops. What are these public toilets? Do you like pay to go use them or something? I don't know, man. Shit, it's getting very... I gotta go in. This is too... It's too watery. Gotta go. Dog. Oh my god.